Hare Krishna. So we are on the 23rd verse of the 3rd chapter, wherein Krishna is explaining the concept of, even though Krishna has no kartavya, still, or no need, still why he is doing kartavya. And we have been seeing this for quite a few shlokas, and the theme continues today. In the 23rd verse, he says a very important concept. He says, यदि ह्यह्यं न वर्तेयं जातु कर्मण्यतन्द्रितः मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. He says, for if I ever failed to engage in carefully performing prescribed duties, O Partha, certainly all men would follow my path. अगर मैं अपने कर्तव्य नहीं करूंगा, we see from where did the discussion began? यद यद आचरति श्रेष्ठ तत् तत् एव इतरो जनः. Yes. जिस प्रकार से एक लीडर या एक श्रेष्ठ व्यक्ति कार्य करेगा, जिस प्रकार से मापदंड वो अपने जीवन में स्थापित करेगा, साधारण जनता उसी को पालन करेगी. Well, just follow. We had seen the concept of anukaran and anusaran. Yes. So Krishna says, if I ever fail to follow carefully my duties, people in general also will become devoid a sense of performing their duties. You see, आजकल के तो जब युद्ध होते हैं, सो युद्ध में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति सेनापति, वो एक अच्छे बंकर में अपने आप को सेफगार्ड करके सेना को आदेश दे रहा है. लेकिन पहले के युगों में ऐसा नहीं होता था. We see Lord Ram is personally there fighting. Pandavas are personally there fighting. They are not hiding in bunkers and they are giving wireless messages to their army. चलो आगे कुछ करो, यहाँ करो, ये करो, ये करो. No, it doesn't work. On the contrary, we see when Diggajas like Kumbhakarna or Meghanad, they all fell, they all died. There was a panic in their army. When Meghanad bound Ram and Lakshman by Nagpash, there was a panic in the army. So this is how a leader actually inspires others. Yes. His presence is very much important. इसीलिए भगवान क्या कहते हैं कि अगर मैं अपने कर्तव्य का निर्वहन नहीं करूंगा. Yes. So what is Krishna essentially trying to tell? Nothing in this world is good or bad. It all depends on how it is utilized. Like for example, a knife, it is not good or bad. In the hand of a dacoit, it is bad. In the hand of a surgeon, it saves a person. Money, essentially not good and bad. Utilized for sense gratification, destroys. Utilized in Krishna's service, glorious. Yes, poison, if taken, ingested just like that, it can cause death. But if I have already consumed a poison, vishasya visham aushadham. विष का औषध दूसरा विष ही है. Yes. So this is how we see Krishna is trying to tell, my dear Arjuna, don't think that this war is bad. It is going to establish the principle of dharma. And for establishing the principle of dharma, even though you might not want to fight, you might not desire to fight, you might have contrary opinions, but still as a Kshatriya you will have to do your prescribed duty. Even if I don't do my prescribed duty, that's a big question mark. What to speak about you? मैं तो भगवान हूँ, मैं भी अपने कर्तव्य कर रहा हूँ. तुम तो एक क्षत्रिय हो, तुम्हें अपने कर्तव्य करने ही होंगे. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna Krishna